How to fix Walgreens application not working. To fix Walgreens applications, first of all, make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, you simply have to switch to your mobile data. And also make sure that you turn off all the VPN services and then head backwards to your home screen, open the app drawer, and look at the Walgreens application icon. However, Walgreens application is not downloaded into my device, but you simply have to follow the steps to remove the cache. Once you identify the icon, you simply have to long press it, then access the app info panel by tapping on that eye icon, scroll downwards to the storage section, then proceed to clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, you simply have to launch the application and try to see if it works or not. And if you are still facing the same issue, you simply have to reinstall the application once you delete it from your device. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.